Hey everyone, a couple new cars this week. First up, this is an AutoArt signature. This is the Lancia Delta S4. And you might have heard me say in previous videos, if you can get an AutoArt signature for a good price, which to me is anything under $200, I think you should. I think the days of highly detailed diecast like this for a reasonable price is very unlikely. I think I picked this up for $80 US, which at that price, definitely not mad at it. So the Delta was a homologation special. Homologation, again, for something like rally racing, is they have to make a certain number as a street car. So they made a few hundred of these. Kind of a neat car. I have the Lancia Delta Integrale, which was front-engined, 2-liter turbo, but this is actually, you know, this is mid-engine, and it was neat. It was actually twin-charged, and twin-charged means it was both supercharged and turbocharged. I think it was the first car to do so. So, pretty neat. You have real opening grills. You've got scale hood struts, all the goodies you expect from an AutoArt signature. Nice metallic paint. Open mesh here, too. Open mesh everywhere. I mean, this is the good stuff. We have spare tire and detail there. Opening the door. Really convincing seating material. I mean, like I said, this is the good stuff. There is a little cover covering the engine, if I can get that out nicely. Easier said than done. Oop. So that'll show you the engine detail. Looks like a 4-cylinder, probably something in the 2-liter range off the top of my head. Very detailed suspension. This was also offered in silver. I think obviously the red is a more interesting color. So packaging, again, this is a signature, so you get the good old black box with the gray styro, like so. You get your certificate of authenticity. This is car number 1841. Let's see, was there anything interesting underneath? Nope, flat bottom underneath, but you do have the same number of production written underneath it. You get your little diagram for what to unscrew and the engine cover. And you get your nice little leaflet. The most interesting thing to me is the part content. Part count is 339 separate pieces, which makes this pretty detailed. So again, a really neat piece. I don't know, this is probably my 15th AutoArt signature, something like that. Next up, on the opposite end of the scale, we've got sealed resin, nothing opening, nothing exciting, but I like the subject matter. This is a BOS 1980 or so Cadillac Seville. I forgot what the nickname is, maybe a bustle butt for that kind of simulated rear storage like they used to have in the 1920s, you know. Just looks like a case attached to the back end, but really neat piece. I think this is the second color they offered. There was like a two-tone copper and brown. Wheel covers are pretty detailed. Windows for, you know, BOS. Actually, this is pretty good. They don't bow out. Now that American Excellence is gone, you really can't get these in America anymore, so this came from Model Car World, which is the parent company of American Excellence. There's the interior. Retails about $159-ish. There are no great deals on these. I got them on sale, so this was about $100 shipped, which at that price I'm not mad at it. I mean, it's certainly better than the alternatives. If you go on eBay, this is probably a $250 car already. What was the production number? Production is 75 out of 300. Not a big production run. I like these kind of what you'd call Malaise era car. Package is the same old black and gold large BOS box. Nothing exciting there. But I had to have it in my collection. It's kind of a neat piece. So that's it for this week, everyone. Tune in next time. Still have a lot more cars to review. Yeah. Thanks, and keep watching. Everyone have a good one.